So I'm trying Polite Society. New foundation, a couple other products too. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically, things that make you more fabulous at any age. So if you're interested in this type of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right now? Thanks so much. Well, I've been seeing these little eggs in Ulta called the Polite Society. And it's a foundation featuring niacinamide and willow bark, vegan hyaluronic acid. Everything about this is pretty good. It's skincare. It has none of the bad stuff, all of the good stuff. So I finally decided I gotta try this. I also bought a couple other items from them. This is the mascara. This is the b.i.g.mouth plumping oil gloss. So I'm going to demonstrate them all for you today. Stay tuned. Well, I've already prepped and primed my face. I use this Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, Pores No More. I will put all the items I used in the links down below. Now, this is the new Polite Society More Than a Pretty Face Skin Caring Foundation. According to the box, it's vegan, it has hyaluronic acid, kindness, niacinamide, honesty, willow bark. It does not include parabens, cruelty, mineral oils, D5, alcohol, or trolls. Okay, so this is Polite Society. I've been seeing a lot about this foundation, and it comes with this cute little egg. The shade I decided to get in this was a light neutral after testing several, and it looks pretty good on my skin right here. So let's see. I think I'm going to use the flat brush to apply this, and it goes on very, very smooth. I just bought this yesterday, so this is my first day wearing it. The shade seems to work really well, and so far I'm really liking it. Yeah. All right, off camera, I added a little bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills on my brows and a little bit of Shape Tape under my eyes. I bought two other items from Polite Society. This one I'm going to try right now. This is called b.i.g.mouth. It is a lip plumping oil gloss, and this one has blueberry oil, aids in hydrating, infinity pepper for plumping, and ginger root oil for volumizing. And again, it's free of cruelty and parabens and all the bad stuff. So it's just a clear gloss. Ooh, and I already feel the sting. Yeah. Oh, wow. I tasted it and it stings my tongue. This is some powerful stuff, y'all. I'm going to let it dry. It doesn't have any color, so I'm going to add a little bit of lip color, but I'm going to let this dry first. Okay, I did my eyes and my face off stage using products from, let's see, Patrick Ta, Hourglass, and Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the third product I bought from Polite Society. Says the greatest lashes of all time. Legendary volume and length and lift. Okay, includes vitamin B5, politeness, carnauba wax, olive wax, and again, free of all the bad stuff. I just got this mini size in this. I'm going to pop up this mirror to get it up close view. Okay, I'm liking it so far. Yeah, I'm really liking this. It definitely lengthens lips and thickens. Well, I'm still feeling the sting from that lip gloss, plumping gloss, but I'm going to add a little color to it now. I think I've allowed it to settle in and the plumping effect. So I'm going to use my latest winter lip kit from Lisa Rinna. This is the Call Me Coral lip kit. And got the liner. The lipstick in this is called Cocktail Hour. This is one of the new shades introduced a couple months ago. I like this, and the shine from that gloss really does shine through. Of course, this is I think a slightly shinier formula from Rinna. And I'm going to go ahead and top with her extra gloss just to sort of seal everything in. Yeah, the color name of this gloss is Keep 'em Talking. All right. I just somehow feel like Lisa Rinna with all of her gossip and everything is perfect to pair with polite society. I miss her on Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, though. It just seemed, I don't know, maybe a little less fun this year. But anyway, so far I'm really liking everything new that I got, particularly this foundation, the lip gloss. I do feel my lips, I'm still feeling the burn, but I do feel like maybe it has thickened a little bit. And also the mascara. I think this is going to be one of my favorite mascaras. So far, thumbs up to Polite Society. Hey, well, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.